if you think about wooden buildings and actually wood fences or any wood material that is being outdoors, you need to treat the wood actually
Oh
at
yes,
least once a year to maintain the quality of it. When it comes to metal, you never have to treat it once a year. You maybe have to treat it when there's a little rust coming out, and then there's still, but it's not like you have to treat it every year. So when we compare it to like wood materials, and it takes a lot more maintenance than it takes for the construction container buildings when we compare it like this. And when we think about like for example, when the clients ask me like, okay, why choose the container buildings, and why would we build a building from containers that is metal? This is just a material you use. Metal is used in almost every construction that you can see nowadays, in every building, because that's the material you use. And when it comes to container buildings and to modular container architecture, it's the same. It's just the raw material that you use. It's the metal instead of wood, instead of concrete, instead of bricks. And then this is very interesting. And you also touched the topic about the banking and the resistance from banks. Well, from our side, we can say that this is moving in a very good direction for modular construction developers, because actually in the past weeks we had a few talks with the banks, with the insurance agencies, and if few years back they were not open to financing modular construction and container buildings, then nowadays they already have some examples of doing these kinds of projects and financing them. And so we had an answer from the banks that they are willing to finance these kinds of projects. This is also for our listeners. So go to your bank and talk to them, because they are willing. At least I can tell that in Latvia they are willing to finance these kinds of projects.